free photography courses online. Today, I am going to share with you some of the best and free online illustration courses. These are bite-sized courses which you can complete in a few hours only and enhance your skills. These free courses precisely focus on the key skills which you want to improve. It does not cover all the aspects, so that these courses will help you to save your time and enhance your specific skill more effectively. Photography Masterclass, your complete guide to photography. Duration 7.5 hours. Level Beginners. Skills: Digital photography / nature photography / Adobe Lightroom. Film photography, the ins and outs of going analog. Duration 1 hour. Level Beginners. Skills: Lomography / photography / film development / film photography / analog. Nightscapes, landscape astrophotography. Duration 1 hour. Level Beginners. Skills: Digital photography / astrophotography / portrait photography / night photography. Street photography, unlock the secrets of composition, color and confidence. Duration 1 hour. Level Intermediate. Skills: Photography / night photography / street photography / Adobe Lightroom / Adobe Photoshop. iPhone photography, how to take pro photos on your iPhone. Duration 1.5 hours. Level Intermediate. Skills: Nature photography / travel photography / photographic composition. Summer lifestyle photography, shoot, edit, and sell your images online. Duration 1 hour. Level Beginners. Skills: Digital photography / fashion photography / photo retouching / Sapwire. iPhone and Android photography, secret features, pro tips and editing. Duration 2 hours. Level Beginners. Skills: Android and iPhone photography / photographic composition / photo editing. Adobe Lightroom, finding your unique editing style. Duration 1.5 hours. Level Beginners. Skills: Photography / photo retouching / photo editing / post-production. Lightroom, 2-minute tips. Duration 5 hours. Level Beginners. Skills: Photography / photo retouching / photo editing / post-production. Fundamentals of DSLR photography. Duration 1.5 hours. Level Beginners. Skills: Photography / DSLR / digital photography.